Knowledge is very important, but definitely half knowledge is dangerous, destructive. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. I'm standing at Marwa Studios and it's the 7th Global Festival of Journalism. I'm in conversation with the Treasurer of Press Club of India, Mr. Neeraj Thakur. So let's talk to him and know about the perks of journalism. Hello sir, welcome to Marwa Studios today.
Thank you.
So first of all, let's start from your journey. When did you decide to step into the field of journalism and how the journey has been?
Well, while I was studying in HP University Shimla, so I was doing my masters in sociology. Then one fine day, I decided I used to write newspapers and other things. So I decided why not to go for journalism. I came here in Delhi in 1995, and I joined a newspaper for some time. Then joined a production house which used to make programs for Zee, and worked with them for a year where I learned the television. That was the booming time of television and the very initial years of television journalism. And in 1997 I joined as a reporter, crime reporter. Then I worked as a crime reporter, investigative reporter for almost 18-19 years. And lastly, when I left Zee, I was the political editor. But what I learned during my investigative journalism is the accuracy and the real news. This is the most important. And any news when you get, the most important thing is that the source. You have to judge that the source which you're giving the news is authentic and credible. Only then you can go for that news.
And with knowledge and credibility comes the confidence. Nobody can question you. So we know that the journalists, they're the watchdogs of the society, and I've seen that your journey has been pretty long and you have tremendous experience. So from your experience, I would like to know that you witnessed the case of Jessica Lal murder case. Would you like to share something about that?
Every detail I know the case, and I was the only journalist who was there on the spot just after half an hour of the incident. And I covered everything. I've seen everything. I've seen the blood. I've seen the bullets. And I've seen the escaping people when they escaped from there. And I discovered the car which were parked in Noida. And all these, the footage were the part of the evidence after initially all the accused were, let go by the lower court. They all were discharged. But it was the media who started the momentum then after the discharge. All things which we used to cover, which we covered and we got, which police were ignoring earlier, or the court ignored the evidences. That all was my footage and other people's footage. So it was the journalists, it was the reporters, who brought the darker side, the real picture, darker side of the the whole judicial system. Also, the lower court, they discharge all the accused. When it is because of the media, because of the reporting at that time. So High Court took this case and start hearing earlier. And everybody know after that what happened. And
very true. तभी तो मीडिया को कहते हैं ना कि we are the mirrors of the society. ये strength है और इस strength को judicially, responsibly use करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. आपको आज कैसा लगा यहाँ पर?
जी बिल्कुल. देखिए, मावा स्टूडियो में तो अक्सर मैं, क्योंकि फिल्म सिटी में बहुत साल तक काम किया है और हम लोग अक्सर बाहर से जाते रहते थे, अंदर आने का कभी मौका नहीं मिला था. आया और सच में मुझे आज देख के लगा कि नहीं, बहुत बड़ा एक इंस्टीट्यूट है, बहुत बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूशन है और बहुत अच्छे से यहाँ के जो चीज़ें हैं, यहाँ स्टूडियोज़ हैं, यहाँ प्रॉपर फैसिलिटीज़ हैं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, मशीन्स हैं, पूरी टेक्नोलॉजी है, सब कुछ है. इट हैज़ एवरीथिंग. सो जो भी यहाँ से सीख के जाएगा वो बिल्कुल अच्छा ही करेगा और इट्स अ वंडरफुल प्लेस. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दिस. और महुआ साहब से भी आज मिलने का मौका मिला. इनफैक्ट उनसे पहले छोटी मोटी मुलाकातें हुई थी, लेकिन आज इत्मीनान से मिलने का मौका मिला. इट्स रियल वंडरफुल.
Thank you. Some message for the people who are learning over here, the budding journalists.
जैसे कुछ देर पहले मरवा साहब ने कहा कि अपना फोकस क्लियर रखिए. बस ये ठीक है, आप जर्नलिज्म कर रहे हो, बट अपना फोकस क्लियर रखिए कि आपको जर्नलिज्म में क्या करना है. अगर आपके फोकस में क्लैरिटी नहीं है तो फिर आप जर्नलिस्ट नहीं बन सकते हो. सो clear to yourself, clear to others.
Very true. Thank you, sir. Thanks for gracing the occasion today and enlightening us with your wisdom. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, big buildings, they build brick by brick and focus is the need of the hour. So अपना focus clear रखिए जैसे हमें नीरज जी ने बताया. And that's all for today in today's talk. I Shreya Katyal sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another eminent celebrity guest for you. Till then, you keep watching MS TV हर पल आपके साथ and don't forget to stay connected with us.